integrity, and professionalism. I will use the competencies I have gained to contribute meaningfully to my workplace, community, and the nation. I shall remain forever grateful to my sponsors, mentors, trainers, and the institution that molded me. I vow to carry the name of Tecton Global Technologies Foundation Incorporated with pride and honor, and to be an example of lifelong learning and continuous growth. This I pledge with sincerity and dedication. So help me God.